The first time you open Android Studio, you'll see a dialog asking if you want to import existing settings. If you have settings from a previous installation, you might see them displayed here. But if this is an absolutely fresh version of Android Studio, you'll instead see this display. I'll click OK, saying I don't want to import settings, and I'll go into a wizard that will walk me through downloading the Android Software Development Kit, the SDK, and helping me set up my development environment. On the next screen, I'm asked what kind of setup I want, and I'll choose Custom and click Next. On this screen, I'm asked where the JDK is that I want to use. Android Studio includes a copy of OpenJDK, and it's Java 8. This screen shows the location of those files. I recommend accepting this and clicking Next. Now you're asked whether you want a dark or light UI theme, and I'll accept the default. And here, you're asked what you want to download. If you already have a copy of the SDK, as I do here, you can simply accept it, and then the rest of the process will only download what's missing. But if this is a completely fresh installation, you'll want to choose where you want to install the SDK. On Mac OS, I recommend accepting this location, under the Home directory, under Library, and then Android/SDK. On Windows, you'll see a default location that's somewhat buried, still under the Home directory. If you're working on a dedicated development system that nobody else uses, I recommend placing the SDK somewhere you can just easily find it, under the root directory. So your directory structure would be Android/SDK under the root. The most important thing is that you choose a location where the entire path doesn't have any spaces or special characters. Select the options you want up here, click Next, and then after confirming everything, click Finish. Again, if this is a brand new fresh installation, this will take some time because there's a lot to download. So take a break and then come on back and you'll be ready to use Android Studio for the first time.